Hello everyone, how are you dear students? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Again it's time for maths lecture. So students, let us begin. In our last some lectures, we were dealing with chapter number 3 and we are done with chapter number 3 now. In today's lecture, we are going to start a new chapter as well as a new topic. Chapter number 4. Chapter 4 is multiplication. Chapter number 4 is multiplication. Chapter number 4 is multiplication. What do I mean by multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition of the same number for the required times. Multiplication means repeated addition. Here we are listening about repeated addition. Repeated addition. First of all, let us look at the word addition. Addition, you all are aware of addition. What is addition and how to do addition? We are very much familiar with the addition. Now repeated addition. What do I mean by repeated addition? See, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Multiplication means repeated addition. See, we are adding and adding, repeatedly adding. It means repeated addition. Now repeated addition of the same number. Repeated addition of the same number. See, look here. The number 2, the number 2, number 2, number 2, number 2. All the numbers are same. So repeated addition of the same number. So what do we mean by repeated addition of the same number? It means if we are adding 5, then we will add repeatedly 5 only. If repeated addition of 3 is there, so 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. See, now I hope you are all understood repeated addition of the same number. Required time for required time. Required time, it depends on question. 2 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. So I hope now you all are understood repeated addition of the same number. We will we will add again and again, and we will add same number. If we are adding 2, then we will add 2, 2, 2, 2. If we are adding 4, then we will add 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 for the required number of time. So, and we are very much familiar with addition. So, multiplication is going to be very much easy for you all. Now, see, multiplication is one of the mathematical operations. As first operation we learned addition, then we learned subtraction. Now our next operation is multiplication. We by plus sign we represent addition, by minus sign we represent subtraction. So there must be a sign for representing multiplication too. Yes, there is a sign, this cross sign. This cross sign we use for multiplication and we read it as into. We read it as into. By this plus sign we are easily understanding that addition is going to happen. 7 plus 5, it means addition is going to be there. 7 minus 5, subtraction is going to be there. 7 into 5, it means multiplication is going to be there. So we read it as into and this cross sign represent multiplication. Okay. Now, students, imagine there is a tree and some birds are sitting there. There is a tree and some birds are sitting there. Let me draw for you all. See, 2 birds are sitting there. Now 2 more birds came and joined them. Now 2 more birds came and joined them. So can you tell me the total Tell me answer. Yes, all of you are right. So what you did? 2 birds are there. Then 2 birds are there. Then again 2 birds are there. These 2 birds, these 2 birds and these 2 birds. You added all these 2 birds. And then you get the answer. 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is how 6 birds are there. See, 2 plus 2 plus 2. The same number is repeated again. What is going to here? What is happening? We are adding same number. So addition, repeated addition of the same number is happening here. Repeated addition of the same number. It means by the definition of multiplication. What is the definition of multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition of the same number for the required time. So repeated addition. How many times we are repeating? 1, 2, 3. This 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. So how many times? 3 times. 3 times what? Number 2. So number 2. Now, what sign we use for multiplication? This into sign, this cross sign. So, and what is our result? Our result is 6. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Here this number is showing number of times. This is representing group. The quantity, the numbers in each group. See how many birds in each group? 2 birds in each group. So this is representing the number in group, and this is our result. This is our result. So this number, the first number is showing number of times. How many times? 1, 2 and 3 times. 3 times what? 2 birds, and the result is 6. So the number 3, we will the first term we will call it as multiplicand. The number to be multiplied is called as multiplicand. Now the next number, the number that the multiplicand is multiplied, the number that the multiplicand is multiplied by is called the multiplier. This term is called as multiplier, and the result of multiplication is called as product. The result of multiplication is called as product. See, some terms were there in addition, first addend, second addend, sum and total. Some terms were there in subtraction, minuend, subtrahend, difference. Likewise, some terms in multiplication is also there. Multiplicand, multiplier and product. The result we will call it as product. Okay students, now some ways are there. Some ways of reading or writing are there. Let's see them. Now this 3, let's take the same example. 3 into 2 is equals to 6. So how we can represent this? 3 times 2, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Now 3 2's are 6. 3 2's are 6. See, 3 times 2 birds were there. So 3 2's are 6. And one more way is there. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So these are some ways of representing. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 2's are 6 and 3 3 into 2 is equals to 6, or the another way. So there are some ways. Now you all are familiar of addition, you all know how to add. So the chapter multiplication is going to be very easy. Not only the chapter, whenever you are going to do multiplication, if you know how to add, you can do it very much properly, because multiplication is repeated addition of the same number. Multiplication is the repeated addition of the same number for the required number of times. Okay, so all of you now open your book, page number 55. Open your book, page number 55. Yes. Now a question is given there. Multiply by repeated addition. Multiply by repeated addition. So now we are going to solve the question, and this question will remain in book only. I am talking about this question, question number 1, and this question will remain in book only. Let's try to solve. Question number 1, that is multiply by repeated addition. Part A. Let me write the question, dear students. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. So first of all we write times. So 5 times. Now 5 times what? Number 2. Then we will write the number 2. Now let's solve it. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 2 and 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now 4 plus 2. These 4 fingers, 2 more. 4 plus 2, 6. Now plus 2. 6 plus 2, all of you add. Very good. 8. Now plus 2. One more time, add 2 in it. 10. So now we are here at number 10. So this is our answer. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 8 plus 2 is 10. It means 5 into 2 is equals to 10. 5 into 2 is equals to 10. Now, moving towards next part, part B. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now first of all, we will count how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So let's write number 4 first. Into 4 times what? 4 times number 3. So we will write 3. Now multiplication is repeated addition. So let's add repeatedly. 3 plus 3. All of you add 3 and 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Very good. Now 6 plus 3 is, add 3 and 6. Very good. 9. Now 9 plus 3 is, add 3 more in 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Very good. So 4 into 3 is equals to 12. 4 into 3 is equals to 12. Now part C. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the book 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. 5 is there. So let's one more time. Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So 7 times. 7 times. So first of all we will write 7. 7 times what? 7 times number 5. So we will write 5. Now let's add all these 5s and get the answer. 5 plus 5. All of you add 5 and 5. All of you add 5 and 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Very good. Now add 10 plus 5. Now add 5 more in the 10. Yes, 10 plus 5 is 15. Very good. Now add 5 more in 15. Plus 5 is very good 20. Now add 5 more. 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5 is 20 plus 5 is 20 plus 5 is 25. Now plus 5 again there, so 25 plus 5, 25 plus 5, yes, 25 plus 5 is 30. Now 30 plus 5, add 5 in 30, 30 plus 5 is very good 35. So this is our answer. 7 into 5 is equals to 35. Now moving towards next question. Part D. 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many times 4? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 3 points what? Number 4. So 3 into 4. Now let's add them. 4 plus 4. All of you add 4 and 4. Yes. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Now 8 plus 4. Now add 4 more. Add 4 more. Yes. 8 plus 4 is 12. It means 3 into 4 is equals to 12. So these were the questions given on page number 55. All of you write down answers only. Question is already given in the book, and these questions will remain in book only. So write down answers only. Note down answers only. Do it quickly. So 5 into 2 is equals to 10, 4 into 3 is equals to 12, 7 into 5 is equals to 35, and 3 into 4 is equals to 12. So dear students, I hope you all have noted down. Now open your classwork copies. Open your classwork copies. All of you open your classwork copy. Start new chapter with new page. Write chapter 4, top of the page, at top of the your page. Chapter number 4, multiplication. Write chapter number and chapter name. Write chapter number and chapter name. Chapter number 4 and chapter's name is multiplication. Always start a new chapter with new page. Now we are going to write some basics of multiplication like definition, symbol and terms used in multiplication. So multiplication means, you can write down with me. Multiplication means repeated addition. Multiplication means repeated addition of the same number, repeated addition of the same number Multiplication means repeated addition of the same number for required time. For required time. Multiplication means repeated addition of the same number for required time. Now, the sign used for multiplication. This cross sign we are using for multiplication. Cross is the symbol used for multiplication. And read as into. How we read it as? Into. We read it as into. Now all of you note down this much in classwork copy. Note this down in classwork copy. Note down this in classwork copy. Multiplication means repeated addition of the same number for required times. Cross is the sign used for multiplication and read it as into. Note it down quickly. Dear students, note down quickly with good handwriting. I hope you all have noted down this much. Now the next point. The next point is terms which we are using in multiplication. So let's write about terms. Terms used in multiplication. So let's take the same example. 3 into 2 is equals to 6. Let's take the same example. This we call it as multiplicand. This we call it as multiplier. And the result we call it as product. Note this down too, dear students. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number that the multiplicand is multiplied by is called multiplier, and the answer to a multiplication sum is called product. Note this down, dear students. So multiplicand, multiplier and product. These are the three terms used in multiplication. So I hope, dear students, you all have noted down. This is all for today's lecture. We'll meet in next lecture. Till then, bye bye students. Stay home, stay safe and keep practicing.